I'm Tim Buller. I've been in the sprinkler trade for 10 years. Currently work for Breth-Zenzen Fire Protection, and we're out in Bismarck, North Dakota at a Cashwise store installing cooler heads. I'd say this building's roughly 600 heads, and we have 38 cooler heads, dry cooler heads to install. Dry pendants that we normally use, you could probably do 2 an hour with 2 guys with cutting all the pipe and getting them all to line up. I'd say we could do 20, 25 with these new style. Works real nice because, you know, where you're doing multiple heads in a cooler, you kind of want them all to line up, and we can just go through and drill all our holes and flex right to the hole. With the new style, we do not need to spray foam them, so we don't have to deal with that mess. It's all in there and it seals itself. I just measured the thickness of the cooler, and then there's little markings on the tube where you can set it to where you got to go and tighten it back down, and there's a line in here that shows you where your head is in line. Actually, that was real easy. Just use a little impact nut driver and, well, they went right in. You know, you could just screw everything in. You could put the zip tie on and strap it to your pipe so it's kind of up and out of the way, and then you could actually test your system. And I thought it looked like a good product. Everything was put together, and, you know, less parts to drag around and lose. Some jobs you find where there's only, you know, 1 or 2 feet of space above the cooler, and with this product it would be nice because, you know, you could have everything there, slide it all in, crawl in there one time, and you can be done. You don't have to crawl back out and cut pipe and find a hanger. It's like everything that they come out with makes our job easier and easier and faster. Definitely on something like this, I would definitely use these again.